Hey you guys, welcome back to another pen unboxing, and today we are gonna be opening the Disney Princess Loungefly pens, and this is the Chibi. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but it's on the bottom here. So I have 4 boxes to open, and I need Jasmine, Tiana, Rapunzel, and Cinderella. So I got my main favorite, Belle, in my last video, and Ariel, and she's my 3rd favorite Disney princess. So they have my princess, like my favorite princesses, in backwards order on the bottom. So first, my favorite princess is Belle, then Jasmine, then Ariel. So if you like this kind of content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn that bell notification on to get notified when I post. And if you like anything in this video, let me know. Or if you just want to say a simple hi, then go right ahead. But other than that, let's jump right into today's video. And I always pre-film my videos, so right now it's like January 2nd. So by the time you see this, it could be like the 3rd week of January. So just to let you guys know. And rest in peace, Betty White. She was awesome. So maybe this video will be on her birthday, I don't know. Let me check my calendar real quick. Okay. Oh, her birthday's on a Monday. Okay. So I post Wednesdays and Saturdays. So maybe I'll post that Saturday, like the day before, like 2 days before. Yeah, maybe that's what we'll do. Alright. Okay, now I don't need my calendar then. So this is our first one. Right off the rip, like that one YouTuber. I don't know. Okay. So this is Rapunzel, because I could tell. So this is new. And it's really nice. And it has a gold, like a rose gold finish on the back. So that's really cool. So I'm excited to add her to my collection. Like, do I collect her like constantly? No. Because like Rapunzel pens, like from that movie, there's always something off about it. Like the pens. But not like the movie. It's always something to do with the pens, so I don't know. We'll see. But Belle's my main collection because I love that movie. Let's hope that we don't get another Belle or Ariel or Rapunzel. Alright. Watch, it's gonna be Rapunzel. Okay, this has to be Cinderella. Oh, Tiana. Ugh. You guys know my backstory about Tiana, I believe, right now. I'm not a big fan of her right now. But I'm not gonna get in detail right now. In the future. Down the road. Alright. Really? I'm making a video, people. They're so annoying. Stupid neighbors. This is why I want to leave Arizona, because they're so annoying. Zoe, be quiet. No privacy around here. Alright. So, okay. Our pens will make us happy. I think this is Jasmine. Yay, I got my 3 favorites. Woohoo! Okay, so I just need Cinderella. Wow. That'd be cool if I got all of them. Oh, please let it be Cinderella. No double, no double, no double. I don't want a double, not today. Because I don't have time for a double. I'm nervous. It's not my favorite. You know, that story. We just need one more. We just need one more. Like, I would put this finger, but I'll be flipping you guys off. I don't care. So we got Tiana. Again. So, if you like the opening, you guys know what to do. And I will see you guys in my next video.